Dear students, as per the new textbook syllabus, we are starting with the third lesson, that is Advanced Features of Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. So, in this lesson, there are total four topics. The first topic is inserting audio clip to the presentation. Second one, inserting video clip to the presentation. Third, action buttons. Fourth, printing a presentation slides. So, these are the four topics. And first of all, I'm going to explain how to insert an audio clip to the presentation and how to record our voice and how to insert into the presentation. So let's move ahead. First of all, you all of you know that how to open PowerPoint. So open the PowerPoint presentation. Here I am having 2013 version. Even in 2013 and 2016 version, the options are same. Click on PowerPoint. So then the PowerPoint window will be opened. Select the blank presentation. And if you want to choose, you can choose the theme. Now, the first topic is inserting audio clip to the presentation. Click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. Under the insert tab, the top right corner, you can see there is a media group. There are three options. The first two options they have given in your textbook, that are video and audio. First one, click on audio button to insert audio clip into your presentation. When I click audio button, a list of options appeared, that are audio on my PC and second one, record audio. First one, audio on my PC. Click on audio on my PC. When I click audio on my PC, a insert audio dialog box will appear. So from your computer, you can insert an audio clip. You can choose from your computer wherever you are having the audio clips. So here in my drive, I have some audio clips. I can choose one audio clip from my computer. And before going to click insert button, you can see there is an option audio files. So this is about the different types of audio file formats. So here they have given some of the audio file formats, that are ADTS format, AIFF format, AU format, FLAC, MIDI, MKA, MP3. So these all are about different types of audio file formats. So generally we all of you know that MP3 files means audio files. So here there are different types of audio files and its formats they have mentioned here. So these all the formats will be supported to the PowerPoint presentation. So select the audio file that you want to insert and click insert button. Then the then the audio file is inserted into the presentation. Right. So if you click the play button, then the audio file will play. Right? Right. So next move on to the next point. So when I click audio button, audio icon, so you can see there is a playback tab. So when I click playback tab, here I can see few of the options under the audio options. Here on click, and there is one more option, automatically. What is the difference between automatically and on click? If I choose automatically option, when I see the slideshow, then the song automatically it is playing without clicking the play button. Without clicking the play button. That is automatically option feature. And the second one is on click. So this on click option is used whenever we want to play during the presentation. So we can click the play button and then we can click the audio clip too. Right? Right. Next, here there are few more options. So what are those options? Play across slides, during hide during show, rewind after playing, loop until stopped. Here play across slides. So here play across slides in the sense, so till the last slide, this audio file is going to play. How many slides you have taken? So for all the slides, this audio file is going to play. If suppose if audio file is stopped, you have inserted many files, so your audio file is having up to 2 minutes, your presentation is going more than 2 minutes. So then what you can do, you can choose rewind after playing option. So select the play across slides and rewind after playing. So with these two options, what will happen? So when the audio clip is completed to play, so here we have already enabled rewind after playing. So again, it will restart from the beginning. And hide during show. Hide during show means if we enable this option, this audio clip speaker symbol, we cannot see during the presentation. You can see we cannot see that during the presentation. The speaker icon. Right. And here there is one more feature that is about trim audio. So if you click on trim audio, we can able to cut the audio clip. So this trim audio option is used to cut the audio. So if you want to cut the audio clip, you can click on trim audio, then trim audio dialog box will appear. Here there is a start time, end time. So from where you want to start your audio clip until where you want to stop. You can choose starting point and the ending point, and by clicking the play button, so you can check and then you can click OK button. If you see slideshow, then directly it is starting. So from where you have mentioned starting point, from there it is started. Right. So this is about insert audio clip using the option audio on my PC. Right. So now the second one, insert record audio. Record audio means if you want to record your own voice, you can record using this record audio option. So let's we see. So when I click record audio option, record sound dialog box appeared. Here there is a red color dot mark to record our voice and play and stop. Let's we start recording. When I click this button, here we can see that the counting started. It means that the recording has been started. So after recording our voice, if you want to stop, you can click stop button, or if you want to click OK button, you can click OK button. So by clicking OK button, the recording is going to stop and the audio clip is going to be inserted into the presentation. Let's we click. Now you can see that audio clip is inserted. So let's we check. Click this button. Here we can see that the counting started. It means that the recording has been started. So right. So whatever I have recorded, that is playing here, right? So it means that even our voice also we can record. So this is one option using insert audio clip. Yes, the next one is insert video clip to the presentation. So the same manner, click on the insert tab under the media group, there is a video button. Click on the video button. And there is a two options, that is online video, and second one is video on my PC. So here video on my PC means, so we can insert video clip from our computer to the presentation. So even it means that from our computer to any video we can add into the presentation. Click on it. So select the video files that you have in your computer. You can select the video clip. And before going to click insert button, I wanted to tell you, like, yes, different types of formats which we have in audio clip. The same way here for video files also we are having different types of formats, like ASF, .asf, .avi, .mk3d, .mkv, .mp4. So .mpeg, .wav, .wmb. There are different types of video file formats, right? So these all file formats are supported to insert in the presentation. So generally, we all of you know that MP4 format, .3gp format, .mpeg format, .mpgav format. So here they have given more formats. These all formats are going to be supported in the presentation. So let's we add the video here. Click insert button. So now you can see at the bottom, the video size is more. So that's why it is showing here. The video is inserting. The process is going on. You can see at the bottom. After finishing, this video is going to be inserted into the presentation. It's a big size file, so that's why it is taking little time. If you are inserting a less size video clip, so it will insert very fast. So right, you can see by dragging from the corners, by keeping the mouse pointer on the at the end, we can make it small and we can make it larger. We can drag, by dragging we can increase the size of the screen, right? Okay, so even you know that here there is a play button. By clicking play button we can able to see that the video is going to be played, right? Yes. So now, as I said, there is a playback button in the while inserting audio clip. Here also the same way, there is a play button. There is a playback button. So when I click playback button, similar to audio options, here also there is an option, video options. So here on click automatically. So that's similar to the when I inserted audio clip, there is a two options, automatically and on click. Click on this, then the video is going to be play automatically. So even I did not click anything button, it is automatically played here, right? Now on click, let's we see full screen slideshow. So I have to click here. When I click, then only it is playing. It means on click means during the presentation, if you want to show automatically, you can choose automatically option, or when you click the button, it has to be played. So if you want like that, you can choose the option on click. So, okay, right. So the next one is play full screen. If you want to show this video in the full screen mode, you can click play full screen. Then the video is going to play in the full screen mode. You can see, right? Yes. Now here also there is an option, trim video. If you want to cut the video, choose the trim video option. There is a start time and end time. By dragging the start time, you can take it forward exactly from where you want to start until where you want to stop, and click OK button. Then so it's going to be cut exactly the start time and end time that you have chosen, and it will play from that time onwards, right? Right. And if you say, there is a one more option, that is about online video. So through this option, you can insert an online video into your presentation. Click on the online video option to insert online video. Here, video is not going to insert directly from the internet. Only the URL is going to be inserted here. So whenever you click on the URL means the website link. When you click that website link, then that video is going to play in the presentation. So make sure that your computer must be connected with the internet. Then only when you click that YouTube link or video link, then it is directly connected to the internet, so that that link is going to be open in the YouTube or some other website. Right. So let's we try if it is possible. We can insert here. Here, internet was not so good. Okay, but through this process, we can insert online video link. So by accessing the video link, so the video is going to play directly. Right. So these are the 4 points under the audio button and video button. So under the audio button, audio on my PC, that can help us to add the audio clip from our computer. Second, record audio, our own voice we can record, and that audio can be inserted to the presentation. And the second one, video from the internet, we can insert the URL link. So through that link, we can play the video which is connected to the YouTube. And the second one is video on my PC. From your computer, if you want to insert a video, you can insert through this option. So not only these two options, like to insert audio and to insert video, from your computer, you can directly copy the video or audio and directly you can paste it into the presentation using copy and paste option. Shortcut key for copy is Control C and shortcut key for paste is Control V. So let's we try shortcut key methods. So let me open the audio clip or video clip. So here is the audio clip, Control C and Control V. Yeah, audio clip is possible to add here, and then video clip also we will try, Control C, or you can use right click on the mouse and you can select copy option. Shortcut key for copy is Control C and you can paste it here. So both audio and video can be inserted using shortcut method, that is Control C for copy and for paste Control V. So using these both the methods, you can insert audio and video. Right, you can see here it was inserted using copy paste method. So hope you all of you understood these two methods. And there will be two topics in this lesson, that are action buttons, that is very interesting, and the another one is printing a presentation slides. So those two are also very easy and very interesting, so that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.